fix mentions settings on tweets. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix mentions on tweets. So first thing, you can go to your tweets, go to your profile, and here guys you can click on this icon here and you will find here mentions. Tap on it, which is the second choice. In here guys you have choose who can mention you to link your profile in their tweets, replace or bio. So here guys you can fix who can mention you. So here guys you have everyone, profile you follow, and no one. So you can go with the option you want, and easy and quick. This is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe, like the video. See you on the next one.